Hey y'all, yesterday we had a serious downpour over here in Benidorm. Loads of rain. Came out about 20 minutes and made sure this place was flooded completely over here. But right now we have those clear skies. Sun is back out again and it's beautiful over here. So we're going to check out Levante Beach. Has there been any damage of yesterday? And as well, we're going to check out the market, the bars around there. So yeah, nice little stroll through Benidorm. For today, a lovely 29 degrees. And if you're worrying about any rain coming through Benidorm for the upcoming week, well, no. The weather will look like this for about the next week. So that's beautiful if you're planning going here. You won't have to worry about rain or even clouds. So yesterday over here, this was a sort of mini waterfall on the edge. And quite a bit of the sand down there washed away into the ocean. Let's have a look how it looks like right now. And it's just this single bit over here where there's no sand. The rest is all nicely restored again. And probably tonight they're going to continue with this final bit right over here to make sure the beach is in excellent shape again. Loads of people around again today. So yesterday people were sliding down from that hill on the road over there. Now touring buses are driving up there, dropping off new tourists. They don't have a clue what happened over here yesterday. And that's positive, yeah. Just like nothing happened. It's beautiful out again. Loads of people having a good time. And except for the water in this corner a bit murky, that's it. Further on, it's nice blue and clear again. And it's just 12 p.m. right now. Plenty of people have made their way towards the bars as well. We've got a perfect view of the Levante Beach from over here. But as well, I expect quite a decent crowd at the Rincón market as well. So let's head there. And in the meantime, enjoy a little bit of the beach as well. Okay, so walking over here is beautiful today. Sun is nicely out, hardly any wind. Well, they do have the yellow flag out, don't know why. Also very small waves in the ocean. Water temperature is lovely, around 26 degrees. So that's perfect for your holiday over here. Well, the sand, it looks still a little bit wet, but of course loads of rain fell down there yesterday, but it will dry off very soon. Especially with getting nice and warm today. So this is one of those areas where yesterday all the mountain water, the rainwater from the mountains came out of. Made their way towards the beach, towards the ocean, because that's the easiest way to get rid of it. There's loads of water of course coming from the mountains, and this is just rainwater. Made their way towards the beach and we can still see the path that it made. And further on, loads of people lying around over in the sun, enjoying it already. Yeah, this will dry up in the upcoming days and then they will make this area flat again like nothing ever happened. Let's head towards the market and see over there. The market over here on the Rincón is always on Wednesdays and on Sundays, usually from the morning around 9 a.m. until about 2 p.m. That is the time when it gets too hot. Most of the people made their way towards the swimming pool or the beach already by then. That's when it closes. And it is quite close from the Levante Beach. It's about a 5-minute walk towards there. And the way towards there passes many bars over here, like this one. Got Gabby's over here. Well, it is just past 12, so some aren't open yet. Gabby's is supposed to open 12, so could be any minute. There we got the Flash Hotel, large bars underneath it. They always have plenty of live entertainment. Let's have a quick look down there, what we can expect for today. And as well, you guys, it would greatly help me if you guys would give the video a like. Really promote it on YouTube, and do subscribe if you enjoyed them and want to see more of it. Some nice music out, people enjoying some drinks over here. Sun is slowly getting towards it. Got the Ambassador Hotel over there. And on the left you can see the beginning of the Benidorm Strip. Got the Morgan Tavern, Neptune's Bar, from that famous Benidorm series. And the hotel where they recorded everything is a bit down there. That direction. Jet2 Holidays dropping off many more people over here. Yeah, it's a lovely route to walk through towards the market from the beach. Plenty to see. Nice walk along all those palm trees you got on the side. Some big hotels as well. The Rosamar. And yeah, there's some entertainment going on at that pool. Let's have a quick look. And from here on you can see the crowds picking up slowly on. Riviera Bar slowly filling up. People who have entered at the market usually grab one of the drinks over here or on the other side. Whoa. Got Uncle Pat's over there. Very popular one as well. Nearly at the market, got Dolce Vita bar over here, a Dutch one. Always live entertainment when they're open. Got Ray's Fish and Chips over here as well. Plenty of people grabbing a lunch. Breakfast all day, €5. And the market over here in the Rincón is actually called Pueblo Market, and that is because Pueblo Hotel is right next to it. It's a busy one. The first few stalls are already in the shade of the big apartment buildings behind me. Could get quite hot over here over time. can get your typical souvenirs in 150, very cheap. Might want a new bag. So there's loads they have on offer over here. Clothing, jewellery, perfumes, you name it, they have it probably over here. There's also a bit of a normal market like you would expect. There's some vegetable and fruit stalls further on. And it stretches all the way until back. And on the opposite of the market, you've got plenty of bars and restaurants and everything. Make it a head in, grab some drinks, cool down before you continue shopping. It's definitely worth visiting whenever you're in Benidorm. So I hope you guys enjoyed the walk today through Benidorm the day after the quite heavy storm. It's probably the most rainfall I ever saw over here in the time I live here now for 2.5 years. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget, do give that a like, it greatly helps. Do subscribe if you want to see more. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.